All right, so we got a call out here from one of our accounts. A property manager called out and said that they found a pipe boot, which is this guy right here on the ground. And it looks like they have silicone pipe boots. I'm pretty sure like a squirrel or something is chewing it, dropped it, and it just fell. So we're gonna get up there, check it out, see what's going on, see what we can find. All right, so we made it to the top and we found what the issue is, where it came from. And it is from one of these, actually this pipe jack itself, it's this one right here, came off of here. And it really what it is normally it's squirrels. They're looking for a water source. This does go straight to a toilet or a sink. And what usually ends up happening is they're looking for water. They're probably thirsty, so they're looking for a water source. And once they get here, there is no water. So that's what it is. It's either that or they like the ingredients or something in the silicone, which I highly doubt. But so this is going to have to be removed and replaced, the shingles around it. And looking at these other ones, it looks like they're also trying to get into these other ones. They're tearing up these pipe boots, more than likely looking for water. Let's take a look at these other ones around the property. Yep, so this one has a hole, so this one's going to have to be replaced as well. Might as well do all of them because sooner or later it's going to happen. This one's actually in pretty good condition. Let's take a look at these in the back, see what we're working with here. Looking at these and how it's being chewed up by these varmints, I probably will opt to not install these. I was wondering how long these last, but as we can see, although they may last a long time against the elements, critters will eat them up. Okay, so that's what it is. One of these pipe jacks, what's the cost to repair one of these? Time to come out here, inspect materials, send the guys out to do the repairs, something like a couple $100. To do all of them, all the pipe jacks, you're looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pipe jacks, which is what we're going to recommend. Do all of them because they're going to run into these issues again. So you're looking at a couple $100 times 9, right? So hey, hope you learned something today. If you got something to say, drop a comment below. We'll catch you on the next one.